Hi guys, so today I will be creating more watercolors. I saw this pretty galaxy like purple and I wanted to try it. Some of these powders take a lot of work to mix. Since the last time I made some, I've learned that you should add some water first. But I added this raspberry purple and this pearlescent purple I got from Glitter Unique, because I wanted to have a purple but with some shimmer added to it for when I do galaxy backgrounds. So this time I got my X-Acto and this little locker mirror that my daughter had, and it seems to be a better combination than just using anything like I did last time. But I was able to scrape it up more. But by the time I'm done with this, you'll see that I also scraped the mirror, which I don't know how bad that can be. I don't think this stuff really will damage paint, but we'll see in the future when I paint with them. But yeah, so I just kind of broke down the powder first. It didn't work too well later because I ended up adding more colors on top of the original mixture to like make different variations. So after breaking this up, I ended up adding in some gum Arabic, and that will be coming up shortly. Just a dollop, a little drop, and scrape that in there. You'll see at first it just sits on top of powder. So it took a lot of, it'll probably be best, I think, to work in a mixing bowl. But as you're gonna learn on this channel, we thug it out and do it however we can get it done. I'm not planning on selling any of these colors or doing it for anybody else. So this is just for my use and my kids' use. I ended up adding in a little bit of water, a couple drops of water with the paintbrush, and that kind of helped to get it going. Now that I've got it blended enough, I figured out that if it's well blended and the mixture is watery just enough, it'll leave behind all the extra powder that didn't get absorbed. Like it'll just run off all the liquid parts. So this is the first one. This one's all purple. And for the next one, I'm going to be adding in some blue. So I just wanted to see how the consistency would be. It looks a little bit watery, but I'm gonna try it out again later for y'all, because I did have a lot of water on that brush. But the consistency is still pretty good, and I got all the shimmers that I wanted once it dried on that test swatch. So next I have this blue from Glitter Unique, which is a pearlescent cobalt blue, and this really gave me the color that I wanted, because I wanted like a purplish shiny blue, and I really like this color, and it blended out even better. I added more water, and just so I can note, forgive me for all that extra space, I was using a new phone tripod to try out my Pixel 2 XL's camera, and the space I have to do all this is very small, and I didn't want to use my DSL or my mirrorless DSLR. So this one went way faster. I just added in some more water and some more gum arabic, and I really like this color. I decided to swatch this one out a bit, and I kind of liked its consistency more, and it starts out shimmery and dries shimmering. And next I added in an even lighter, like magenta type color, and this one came out super pretty. after pouring that one, I am officially done with these purples. If you can look at this, there's a lot of grainy texture in there, but it's all good. I can't wait for them to dry. They still haven't dried, but I tried them, and I have that bluish purple. It's contrast to colors, which is why the shimmer shows up so good. That pinkish purple and another darker pinkish purple, and this pink I made later, which you didn't see. But I love them.